Justin, magbabato lang ako. Gusto ko nang marinig ang reaction ng tatlong next generation leading men natin eh. How was it? Let's start with, of course, Joseph Marco. Joseph, kamusta? Medyo... When was the last time na meron yung last episode mo, Joseph?
What do you mean, last episode?
Di ba you died here?
I think tomorrow. Oh, yeah. So tomorrow, yeah.
Wala.
We can never tell! Malay mo naman, di ba?
Nakita na kanina eh.
I know.
May spoiler na.
Ano? Joseph, how was the PPP journey? 6 months.
Wow, so much takeaway, sa show na to. Especially the growth, as an actor. Kasi right now, I've been with ABS for the past 13 years. And,
13 years, wow.
You know what I've realized is that at this point, you cannot just think about yourself and your performance. You're on that level where you're gonna have to help the new ones.
Totoo.
Kailangan mo silang tutukan.
I know.
Yeah, kasi hindi mo makakontrol. If you see something na medyo, alam mo yun, na mga mali mo in the past, you don't want them to repeat that. So, that's a different responsibility. And, yeah, it's such a pleasure working with Direk Dick and Direk Raymond again. Kasi, while I was doing Wildflower with Direk Raymond, he would always give me advice, try to correct me. But this time, he's like, Joseph, kaya mo na yan. Ikaw na bahala. It's just, it's malaking bagay yun sa actor kasi he gives so much confidence. And, yeah, and working with, especially ang mga naka-eksena ko madalas, si Charlie and si Miss Cookie, such a pleasure working with them. I love working with great talents and they're such hardworking. Like mga eksena namin talagang inuupuan namin bago namin i-take. And yeah, working with them, it's amazing. And of course, the rest of the cast.
Actually naman, Joseph, you've worked with the best, with the Maricel, with the Jody, Iza, with the Coco Martin and all. So medyo parang kumukuya ka na nga talaga dito na malaking pwede mong ibigay for them, di ba?
Yeah. Just very thankful for ABS-CBN Studios and of course to Dreamscape family and TV5 for, this opportunity. And, patuloy silang nagtitiwala sa akin and I'm blessed and thankful.
Of course. Thank you for always saying yes. Ronnie, prepare ka na for medyo umaksyon ka dito, di ba? How was it? 6 months of
6 months,
doing...
ang hirap mong sundan. Ang ganda mo sumagot. Siyempre ako, ganito lang. Tamang chill lang. Sa 6 months po na ganun trabaho, sobrang, kagaya nga po na sinabi ko kanina, sobrang na-enjoy ko tong show na to. Siyempre, sa tulong din ni Direk Raymond, ni Direk Dick na talagang tinutukan ako pagka medyo lumalamya yung atake ko. And naging madali din kasi parang ang family na din talaga yung lahat ng artista dito sa PPP. Kaya hindi ako ganun katakot magbigay, gumalaw. And ayun, sumatotal po, sobrang na-enjoy ko tong PPP. And feeling ko, ito yung pinakamagandang show na nagganapan ko. So, ayun.
Wow.
Ito yung pinaka na-enjoy ko sa lahat na ginawa ko.
Kasi you keep improving nga, di ba? So,
Opo.
di ba, from TGD to
Yes.
the Goods... Tama, no? Good Son?
Hindi.
Sorry.
The General's Daughter,
TG,
Unloving You, Love in 40
Ayun.
Days. And
Tama
etong-
naman. This is
yes.
your most challenging.
Yes, opo. Ito yung pinakakakaiba sa lahat.
Kids!
Yes po. Well, first, I'd just like to say thank you so much, Dreamscape, TV5, ABS-CBN Studios, for the opportunity that was given to me. And the fact that they trusted me kahit baguhan lang po ako sa acting, especially drama acting. They trusted me with this project and I'm very thankful. And of course, sa totoo lang, hindi ko po sinasabi, pero I look up to every single one of the castmates here. I learn so much from every single one of them. Every time na kinakausap ko sila or ka-eksena ko sila, I observe how they act, I observe how they play with the camera, and I take note of it because it's just so humbling to be a part of this.
Kasi week 1 pa lang, tita Cookie mo na ang ka-eksena
Opo.
mo, di ba?
Opo.
Medyo
And
challenging yun.
Very, very challenging. Of course, being in scenes with also si Kuya
With the
Joseph
kuya,
Marco,
oo.
na-intimidate talaga ako. Because yung La Madrid family, grabe yung cast ng... yung cast na yan eh.
Intimidating kasi yung characters ng The Madrid family, di ba?
Opo, very, very intimidating. Mayaman,
True.
very put together, at kailangan...
Pero ikaw yung heart ng family, alam mo yun?
yes, opo. And I'm very proud to be that. I'll always be proud of the character I portrayed. Si
Pero
Ivan.
sa AVP, sinumbatan mo yung mom mo, no?
Opo.
Looking forward to that.
Thank you po.
Alright. Bago ko ibigay sa Justin, todo ko na, I'd like to ask din syempre si Hash na, ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko na. Si Hash na, si Argel, tsaka si Kobe and Kate. How was it? 6 months ng work. Wow. Alam ko naman, you were positioned sa roles nyo dahil you were the best doing that role. Starting off with Argel. Jelnak.
So,
Medyo 6 months of working with the greats.
yun nga po, sa simula kasi, nahihiya talaga ako sa kanila, sa kanilang lahat. Tapos, na-intimidate din ako pag mga kaiksena ko sila.
Sino yung senior na pinaka na-intimidate ka talaga?
Si
o
Kuya
natakot?
Epi po.
Ay, oo naman.
Si
Boses
Kuya
pa
Epi.
lang.
Oo. Kasi, may eksena kami na ini-interview namin siya. Tapos,
Huhulihin nyo siya niyan dahil
sumigaw
in-accuse
siya,
niyo
nagulat
Oo.
talaga ako. Parang, ay, mali. Pero si Kuya Epi po talaga, yung pinaka na-intimidate. At nung tumagal, naging close naman kami lahat. Ayun, puro tawanan kami sa eksena. Pero masaya. Masaya yung nagawa ko.
But Kuya Epi is a very generous actor, di ba? Na,
Opo, opo.
bibigyan ka niya ng your way
Tsaka-
and then adjust ka. Parang ganun ba yun?
Opo. Tsaka nagbibigay din siya sa amin ng mga advice, ganyan, pag nasa tent kami, kasi kami nag-uusap doon. So, meron din po kaming nakuwang mga knowledge sa kanya.
Alright, thank you, Argel. Kay! Busy rin yung brother mo, ha? You're on, nak.
Ako lang po, I just wanted to share, no. It was such a privilege for me to witness every single character here. Kasi hindi parang uso dito na good ka lang or bad eh. The theme that I saw in this series was hurt people. So justified lahat na, pati si Osang, hindi naman talaga siya masama eh. Nasaktan lang siya. That's why she was able to do these things. So as the best friend of Charlie here and as a supporting character, I get to witness the character's journey. And I get to share that with them. So hindi ko na ba't ako niyak? Oh my God. Grabe
Nagsisepangs na.
Sobrang, hindi ko alam ba't ako naiyak. Grabe, ang galing nung journey nila as actors. It was such a privilege for me to watch it. And I'm getting so emotional about it because they did such a good job. From
You
our
also
veteran-
did, of course, kaya andyan ka eh.
Yeah, I know, but I feel so privileged that this is my job. And I get to work with the actors like this every day. So, cut na po ba?
No. Patuluin mo daw, patuluin
Ayun
mo.
po.
Tapos,
Left or right? Charot!
Love
Ayun
you,
po. So,
Kate.
thank you po talaga sa ABS-CBN Studios and sa TV5 and of course kay Sir Deo and everybody and the writers po for making me a part of this.
Nasa DNA nyo ang mahusay, no? Your brother is doing great as well.
I'm very, very proud of him.
I
yes.
know.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, Kate. Kobe! Ayan si Kobe. Kobe ba? Ano?
Kobe.
Tama naman, no?
Yes, tama
Alright.
naman.
Nak, kamusta? Prior to this, alam naman namin mahusay ka and you delivered well in your role. How was it portraying one of the friends nga ni Ronnie and Argel?
Honestly, nung umpisa, kabado talaga ako when it comes to doing scenes kasi nga it's no secret naman na this is my first project and also for the longest time I've been looking up to these people. I've been watching them, idolizing them.
Like who? Share.
Syempre, R2.
Talaga, ha? R2, ha? Alam na.
Arto talaga eh. Oo,
You know what to do, ha?
Kaibigan ko talaga to. Arto talaga tawag eh.
Close. Go ahead, Nak.
Ayun, so ayun, and really grateful na I've been given the chance to finally work with them. And going back to what I said earlier, yun nga, kinakabahan ako kasi nga, parang I feel like I don't belong. Di ba? Pero thank you to everyone kasi naramdaman ko yung pag-welcome nila sa akin, kung paano nila ako tratuin. It's no different than how they treat
You may
yung
identify
mga
who, sino made you feel comfortable at home. Go ahead.
Ayan,
you
sila.
may share.
Si Argel, of course, KD, sobrang bait. And everyone naman,
Ay, wala.
sobrang
Sila
bait.
lang pala dyan.
Ayan, and even the seasoned actors
Like
and
who?
actresses.
Sino most of your scenes na kasama mo na talagang medyo intimidating pero nagbibigay, di ba?
Si Kuya Epi.
Of course.
And of course, si Tita Cookie.
Okay.
Grabe si Tita Cookie sa eksena. Sobrang intimidating. But after the scene,
Lamonera
sobrang
yan
lambing. Sobrang, anak, kamusta ka na? Ganito, yakap, gano'n. Kaya, again, very grateful for this opportunity. Dreamscape, ABS, TV5. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kobe. And of course, Hasna. Suki ito ng Dreamscape si Hasna.
Oo nga eh. Thank you so much po, ABS-CBN Studios. From Pinoy Big Brother, mga 8 na po siguro yung project ko.
Wow,
Parang
yaman.
feeling ko baguhan
Sarap.
pa rin po ako. Pero grabe talaga. Thank you so much for having me here sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. This is my 3rd Dreamscape project na po. Kaya lang, nung nakita ko po yung script, medyo kinabahan ako kasi sa mga nasubaybayan po yung journey ko, ako po yung tipong best friend role, comic role,
Pero
di ba?
dito,
Yung
no?
yung mga malalaki mata, nakakatawa, ganyan. So nakita ko po yung Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, binabasa ko, hala, bakit parang ang seryoso lahat? Bakit parang puro sampalan, sakitan, bardagulan? So nung nalaman ko po na medyo seryoso yung role ko, isa po akong maldita dito, medyo sabi ko, parang kaya ko na ba magmaldita? Yun. So thank you po for having me as a maldita. Naka-work ko po dito mga nakaka-eksena ko po, si Charlie Dizon, which is kabisado ko na rin po kasi nakasama ko na rin siya sa Viral Scandal.
Tsaka MMFF Best Actress siya, no?
Yes
Di ba?
po. So, nakatrabaho ko naman na po siya. So, kabisado ko na siya. Sabi ko, okay to. Okay si Charlie. Tapos si Joseph Marco po, mga ka-eksena ko, nakatrabaho ko na rin
intense
siya eh.
yun.
So,
Oo.
sabi ko, okay. Pero medyo kinabahan ako nung nalaman ko, katrabaho ko, isang icon. Magsusupport po ako kay Miss Snooki Sir na sabi ko, hindi ko ba siya nami-meet? Kinakabahan na ako. Yun pala, si Miss Snooki Sir na po, si Tita Cook, sobrang kabaliktaran ni Ma'am Jacinta. So, sobrang fun po nung experience. Fun, challenging, and unforgettable.
Nice. Thank you. Okay, Justin, I'm ready for all the questions na nasa hawak mo ngayon.
Ayan, bago ko tawagin si Tito Archie Liao ng Abante Tonight, babasahin ko yung question from another global blogger, si Nikki Arambolo of Arambolo Live. The question is for the girls. Ayan, sabi niya, the solid friendship and sisterhood that has been formed through Pira-Pirasong Paraiso is something palpable through posts from the cast. If given another project to do together, what kind of storyline would you like to tackle?
Okay, before they answer, I'd like to hear, from what you heard, Direk, everything na narinig mo this afternoon, any reaction lang? Kasi ikaw yung naging guidance talaga lang. Everyone admitted how you were a supportive director sa kanila, how yung ship talagang iningatan mong hindi mag-sink dahil talagang umaangat pa ng umaangat. How was hearing all these comments, Direk? Please.
Nakakatuwa kasi unang-una yung apat talagang nag-bond sila ng todo. Yung masaya talaga sila. Alam mo yung pipong magsasampala yung ganito, but after that, ay humanda ka, magjo-joke lang sila na parang humanda ka sa pag ako na nakagante. So ganun sila maglokohan at maggaguhan. Kaya ganyan din sila talaga close. At yun yung kinatutuwa ko kasi kitang-kita, lumalabas sa TV na masaya kami na ginagawa yung project na to ng ganun. Wala ka mararamdamang may nagtarayan or nagkaroon ng kaguluhan sa bawat isa. Masaya habang ginagawa siya.
Bukod dun, Direk, uminado silang gumaling sila dahil sa guidance mo.
Oo, at nakakatuwa rin kasi nakikinig din naman talaga sila. At nag-share din sila ng, Direk, what if ganito, ganyan. Okay. Ina-acknowledge ko yung mga pinag-share namin sa bawat isa, even the season actors. Sobrang, alam mo yon, kabisado mo na yung iba, pero may ibibigay pang ganito. So, at ina-acknowledge ko rin. Like, for example, si Miss O, sabi ko, Miss O, gusto ko yung pagkakasabit, pagkaka-deliver mo ng ganito. Iba-iba dun sa mga dati nating ginagawa. Sabi niya, di ba, Direk? Sabi ko, that's good. Sabi ko, at least meron tayong ibang flavor na naibibigay.
Direct nung nalamang every season may season actress, may icons na papasok every season from Maricel to Miss Cookie to Miss O. Hindi ka na-intimidate na ibang generation na to
Diyos ko po, kinabahan ako ng todo. Kasi for example, si Tita Cookie, si Inay, bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na sila. As in, kare-kare ako ng nanay ko
Hindi
para
ka
manood
na-
ng sine.
Paano mo ginawang hindi ka magpakita ng pagka-intimidate?
Mararamdaman nila yun habang binibigay ko at inaano yung instructions. So, sobra akong lahat kailangan ng details, alam ko. Sobrang inaral ko din para ayoko masampal.
Pero mabait nila in real life.
Sobra. Ang sarap nila kausap, malinaw, maayos. So kung paano si Tita Cookie, kung paano din si Miss Inay, nagkaintindihan naman kami kung paano namin gagawin yung bawat eksena. So, yun, ganun.
Kala ko kasi, tanggap na tanggap mo lang, may kaba rin pala, no?
Sobra, sa totoo lang, sobra. Kinakabahan ako sa kanila.
It was a revelation from
Yes.
a good director. We can have the girls answer na. Would you like to, first, Alexa? The question was, naku, kailangan pang ulitin, ano?
Ayan,
Kuha mo na, Nak, no? Malinaw na sa'yo.
Yeah, if given the chance to do a project together, kayong apat, anong klaseng storya naman yung gusto nyong
Oh, okay.
I think they would all agree.
Pag-usapan na namin yan.
Ito yung pangarap po talaga namin. After po sana nito na, we would love to have a sitcom together. Pira-piraso, but happy. Happy version. Yun po,
Pira-pirasong
that would
patawa,
be-
ganon. Charo.
Oo, para po
Mali.
malabas
Sitcom,
namin.
may lalim din naman po yung sitcom,
Yes,
diba?
totoo.
Minsan may drama
Oo.
din sila. Pero sana po ma-discover din nilang funny din kami.
Yes po, marinig niyo po yung pangarap namin.
Parinig.com kay Sir Nathan, no? Ayan na yung creative head na.
Maganda nga po yung
Baka po
storyline
may
ni
spin-off.
Wala,
Cupcake.
umuoo si Sir Nathan.
May concept na po si Cupcake.
Yes.
Pasok si Cupcake sa sitcom.
Lahat
po
may
cover.
pag-usapan na po
Lahat.
namin. Siya pa rin yung tatay po namin.
Okay, madadagdag ka, Loy? Okay na. Okay, Justin?
Ayan, another question for KD naman. Sabi ni Nikki Arambolo pa rin. This project has been the most challenging role for you in terms of acting. Like, what was the biggest lesson you learned through working on the show that you will take with you moving forward in your career? Ayan.
Kasi acting, ang nagawa mo palang
I've
enumerate mo
done-
para ano sila,
So I've done, Toss Coin. It's for Hong
Ongoing
Kong
now
still.
sa Star Cinema
ongoing now
page.
Star Cinema.
Ah.
Then I've also done Bola Bola.
Alright.
Yes, mini-series po. And parang,
Ito nga ang
ito
pinaka-challenging
po yung pinaka-challenging ko po. And what I've learned from this right now is always come prepared, always focus. And because if you just go to set and you don't know the lines, you're just gonna learn it on that day. For me at least, I'm not sure with the other cast. But for me, it takes time to memorize. It takes time for me to prepare. So I really have to focus, set my mind to you have to set my mind on this script, set my mind on these lines, and just give it your all. Give it your all every time. And yes, there will be times that you will embarrass yourself. May mga scenes na ikinahihiya ako talaga. But you
Yung
just
mga
push
ganon,
through.
pag hindi ka happy, what do you do? Alam mo hindi ka happy dun sa scene.
Ako, I watch it. I watch it, then I see what I did wrong.
Do you talk to your director about it?
Actually,
the fact na happy
busy kasi
siya.
si Direk Raymond or si Direk Dick. But
Okay.
every time na I go back on set, medyo mahirap yung eksena, sinusuportahan ako ni Direk Raymond, ni Direk Roderick, and I'm very thankful for that. And also si Ate Kimi, thank you for helping me cry.
Wow, special mention si Derek Kimi.
Si Ate Kimi talaga yung nagpapayak sa amin lahat.
Ang cute ha. Si Kimi po is our assistant director. Okay. You're good, Nanak?
Yes po,
Alright.
thank you.